grid is a common component in any aspect of design. It creates an intuitive flow and presents content in an easily digestible format. Android comes with a built-in view designed for managing grids, which unsurprisingly is named GridView. We'll navigate over to our layout file to assemble the grid view through XML. After opening the activity main.xml file, let's clean up our layout by getting rid of this button. Now we'll create our grid view tag. We'll be using quite a few attributes to define how many columns we want, how big they should be, and other attributes. We'll give this a title of grid view, a width of fill parent, and a height of 390 dp. For our margins, we'll give all the sides except the top a margin of 10 dp, just for a little border around the edges. From the top, we'll have it come down a little more and give this a value of 30 dp. These are all attributes we've seen before and aren't specific to the grid view. Each view in Android usually has a few attributes that may be unique to them. For a grid view, we have attributes such as Android num columns, which in this case we'll set to 3, since we have a 3x3 matrix for our grid. We'll also use Android column width with a value of 50 dp. To describe the spacing of items within our grid, we can use the attributes Android horizontal spacing and Android vertical spacing. We'll set both of these to 5 dp to maintain a square shape to our grid. We've created our grid view using both the generic attributes that come with all views and the ones that are very specific to the grid view itself. Checking out the graphical layout, we may see things a little distorted, or see that there are many more items than we want for our own project. This is okay. We haven't yet told the grid view how many items we want to have in our grid. We'll do this through the use of an adapter, which is a concept used by many views that deal with presenting data in dynamic amounts. We'll also need to alter our text view so that it exists below our grid view. To do so, we'll navigate over to our text view and add the attribute Android below equals @+ID/grid view. This will place our text view below our grid view when we open up our activity.